Morning, guys. We're over here in Ellensburg this morning. The girl had to go to bed. Sometimes you gotta do that. That's about an hour ago. I couldn't turn down snuggling with her for an hour. I like that. I'm gonna go in here and get some coffee, and then we're gonna begin our day. You know I'm gonna wake the girl up in a couple of hours because we ain't gonna be leaving. We're gonna deliver, and I bet we're gonna be stuck for a day or two. That's cool. I'm thinking about going to the Boeing Air Museum or somewhere like that where it's near the highway and I know I can get in there and not have to drop my trailer. Hey! What do y'all think? Y'all want to come? Alright. Let's go in here and get some Go Juice for the body. We've been talking about getting a bicycle. Two bicycles actually, right? Check this out. I like it. Alright, check this out. It's motorized. I've never heard of this exactly. I guess it's electric right here. Key switch. Black Max. Big fat tires, beach tires or whatever. That is kind of extra cool. I was going to go with the motorized one, but this one is electric, I'm thinking. I think I got to have one like it. It's a fold-in too. It breaks down and fits in your trunk, it looks like. Maybe. Yes, it will. Awesome.
Safety vest?
I don't know, but you are.
I don't want to get ran over, apparently.
We're going to have some Vietnamese today. And I told these people I will plug their business. They're right here beside Ernie's Truck Stop in Renton, Washington. They're not going to give us anything for plugging it. They're having a hard time keeping it open, I think. But hey, if you're at Ernie's, come over here to the Vietnamese restaurant. They will do you right, feed you good. Vietnamese is the bomb, guys. Yeah. Let's eat. This is today's fare. Yummy. Yummy goodness, right? Check it out. She learned how to eat properly. Otherwise, her hair always got in her food. She learned that from one of them girls that eats here a lot. It works. All right, so if you get a chance to come to the Hot Pho, you should. Like I said, it's right here beside Ernie's, and they're great people. Yeah. And it makes her smile. If you ain't never had Vietnamese or Thai food or Filipino food, it's all a little different, but those are my favorites.
There's a Filipino joint about 3 3 spots down here in the same building.
It's good, but it's like Filipino and Hawaiian mixed together, and that's kind of odd. But it's good. But I'm gonna stick with this one here. They don't have any beer in the refrigerator though. And we're probably gonna be off for a couple of days.
Adventures.
So who knows what's gonna happen or where we're gonna go. I don't know yet. That's cool. Well, we'll get back with you in a little bit. We got paperwork to do.
Gotta get paid.
Gotta get paid. What's it? Stack that cash. Get that cheddar.
Get that cheddar.
Cheddar.
I've never heard that.
You're a white girl. You don't know that.
Apparently
You
not.
do. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Or is it recording? Look at it. It just decided to record. Hi guys. Welcome. Greetings and salutations. The girl's shoving things in her mouth.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. That's
Big
it.
giant strawberries.
It just started recording on its own. We were discussing lighting. You know, I'm trying to figure out where to go. And my hat. I like my hat. But I missed the green part here. Alright? I think I'm going to make a different hat. What do you think, girl?
I don't care what you do. He has informed me, though, that I'm going to have some TRC logo stuff. And I informed him that I wanted Princess Prissy Pants. And he said, no, I can't have Princess Prissy Pants. So, I'm going to put a purple crown on the side of the face for my TRC logo. Apparel that I have to wear.
That she has to wear. I am a tyrant and a bull. You know I am not.
Yes, you are.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
It would be cute, right? I mean, I really like the girls. Any of you girls out there, you're not a girl. I've decided, it's just my personal opinion, and everybody else in the world, that stretchy yoga pants are the best thing in the whole wide world. Don't you? Yeah. I don't know why y'all didn't wear them before. They're great. And then, you know, from the movies back in the 50s and stuff, women did wear some stuff kind of like that. You know, like in the Bewitched and stuff, they used to wear them little short pants that was kind of snug and yeah. Control yourself, boy.
Well, I was telling you to calm down.
Come here. Tell them about it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have went there. I couldn't help it.
He likes yoga pants.
I like yoga pants. On girls. Guys. Please don't wear yoga pants.
Here.
But if you do, if you want to wear them, you can wear them. I'm not gonna debase you or anything, but
But you shouldn't.
you shouldn't.
Just say it. You shouldn't wear them.
But if you want to, go ahead. Oh, don't do that. Be sweet and gentle and loving.
Do you think I'm a sweet and gentle and loving person?
No, guys, she's not.
He will bite me in a heartbeat. Don't let him kid you.
She will bite me in a heartbeat. Don't let her kid you.
He will blame me for everything, whether it's true or not. Don't let him kid you.
It's always true when I blame you. From my perspective.
But your perspective is wrong.
No, it's not.
No.
It's that whole digging a hole thing. You know, use the spoon or use the backhoe. I try to use the backhoe. I want to get to where I'm going. Apparently to your last nerve.
You just think you're a riot, don't you?
No, not me. But if you want to call me a riot, you can. I'm easy.
What do you got there, girl?
We bought the dogs some new food. Grain-free. We're going to try it out. I hope it don't give them the diarrhea. You know, switching dog food can do that.
But if your dogs have allergies, like they lick their paws and stuff a lot,
Boston's have allergies a lot.
then the grain-free is supposed to help.
We'll see. I hope so. Not that she makes a mess or anything. She's a great girl. I just don't want her itchy, right? But you don't want... We have gluten allergies. Both of us do. We eat bread. We get itchy. Our hands.
Hives.
Yeah, we get hives. So I know what it's like to feel itchy
It sucks.
all the time because this went on for years before I figured it out. Well, I figured it out. Before it was in vogue to have gluten allergies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not fun.
No.
Try and get, especially in the morning when everything ain't open, try and get something without bread. And actually, I'm also get hives from soy. So, and pretty much everything is fried in a soy oil blend.
Well, since we're getting... Well, we never have a topic, you know that. But since we're so far off the topic that we never have... gluten allergies didn't exist for most people until GMO wheat came along. Right? So, if you're eating organic products, then you can probably still have bread and everything. And you can also eat sourdough. I don't know why you can eat sourdough, but you can eat sourdough. Right? Am I right?
Sourdough has something.
It's fermented.
Yeah, it's fermented.
Yeah.
So it has the probiotics and stuff in it still.
I think
Now,
it changes the composition.
I don't know if it's yeah, it changes something. I don't know if like the big box store mega carrier bread is the same, or if it's like actual sourdough bread that you make yourself. You know what I mean?
No, because real sourdough comes from fly poop. You know, fly.
Yeah, but you can get a start and then
And keep
make
it going for
sourdough
years
yourself.
and years. You know, that was my grandmother's sourdough, and we've been carrying it down for 2,000 years, and you cooked it all, you bastard. You know, that kind of stuff. Oh, bless you, Snotty.
Thank you.
You're getting pretty good at that. Did you
Little dog.
did you pee a little bit or anything?
No.
I've heard people do that.
No.
You wiped it on Little
Yeah,
Dog,
didn't you see?
but he sleeps on me.
Well, I guess you're gonna have my sneeze germs on you.
You're just nasty. Oh, show him what we got there. Throw the dog on the ground.
Oh no!
Yeah.
He's growling. See, he knows what you said.
Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. Because we're all fat bastards. I ain't talking about y'all. I'm talking about me. It's getting kind of dark in here. Better work fast, girl.
Can you see it?
Boom. Is that better?
Oh, it just kind of looks like a white box from over there.
I can't blow it up from this angle. Here, I'll move it closer for them, for their viewing pleasure. If y'all see us at the truck stop, if y'all see us at Ernie's truck stop, and we're not at the Booby Coffee Bar across the road, or if we're not, I'll get back to that, or if we're not at the
There, that side ain't all white.
Vietnamese eatery, we may be playing, what's this thing called?
Badminton.
Badminton in the parking lot. You are free to join us. It has 4 sticks. And since I have the COPD, I won't be out there.
And I am going to keep
I'll be
one
supervising.
stick for smacking people with.
Oh.
Mainly him.
I should get you a boomerang.
I had one as a kid. And how exactly do boomerangs come back to you? Can you throw it? Can anybody throw a boomerang and it comes back to them?
No,
Seriously?
you got to know how to throw the boomerang, and it has to be made right. It has to be made at a tilt. Yep, a tilt.
So
right?
it's just a big lie that boomerangs come back to you, basically.
No, they'll come back. They just won't come back to you.
That doesn't make any sense. If I throw a baseball, I can say it's coming back. It's just coming back to somebody else on the other end.
No. Now I've got to teach you the dynamics of a boomerang.
Yes, you do. Do we have any geometry teachers in here? Because that's probably about what we need, isn't it?
I can explain it to you. I don't want to explain it to them, though. They've been here for 8 minutes, and they know how a boomerang works.
No, they don't. Because if they've ever bought one from the store, they flung it, and then they had to walk 20 feet and go get it because the thing didn't come back to them either.
That's because it was made in China.
Well,
You need one made in Africa or somewhere. How about you get a boa, like they use in Australia?
okay, a boa to me is a feather thing that you wear around your neck when you
Or it could be a snake. Or it could be that thing that you throw and tie up the cow's legs and trip it and it falls over. See, we're getting all crazy. We're going to see you guys later. There'll be a badminton game somewhere near you. Bye, guys.
Start playing with fire. Everyone